we will see the configuration of SAMBA server. SAMBA server is used to share the files between the Linux operating system and the Windows operating system. So we'll see the steps how to configure the SAMBA server. So first we will change the IP address of our machine, Windows machine. So we can go it here, open network and internet setting, go to the change adapter options. So you can see the different Ethernet 2, Ethernet 5, Ethernet 6. So you can select the Ethernet 2, go to the properties, go to the IPv4 section, properties. You can use the following, you can select the option, use the following IP address, set it as 192.168.1.1, 255.255.0. okay. Then again for this Ethernet 5, also we can do the same step. We can give the IPv4 as 192.168.1.2 and subnet 255.255.255.0. Similarly for the Ethernet 6, you can change it to 3 IPv4. So 192.168.56.3 is there. You can change it to 1.3 or keep it as 56.3. So these are the ranges for our Ethernet adapters that are there. We have manually set it. So after this we'll go to the Linux machine. So when you go to the Linux machine, you can set the manually IP address of our Linux machine also. So go to this section where our arrow mark is there, click on it. You can see the edit option will come here. Okay, so when you click on that, the edit option will come here. You can select the Ethernet, that is the interface card, internet is the interface card. You can select the edit options, IPv4 setting. We can manually set the IP address. By default it is DHCP, so we are setting it manually to 192.168.1.4, netmask 255.255.0. After giving this IP address, we will click on apply. Okay, it asks for the password. So after setting it, you can check the IP address of our machine by issuing the command ifconfig. So you can see the IP address we have set manually for our Linux machine as 192.168.1.4. After setting the IP addresses, you can log in it as the super user. So we will issue the command su. So we'll go to the home directories. Now we are in the root directory. We will go to the home directory. In the home directory, we will create one directory. That is, we can name it as SAMBA. Okay, already the directory existing. We will give some other name as. We will name the directory as Y. Okay, we will change to the directory Y. We will create some files here. We will create empty files by issuing the command touch command, which is used to create the empty files. We will create one more text file by issuing the command. Then we can press Ctrl D to come out of this file. Now you can issue the ls command to see the files which are created in the YY directory, which is inside the /home/YY directory. After creating the files, we need to change the permission for these files. That is, we need to give the read, write and execute permissions recursively. Therefore we are right here chmod -r 777 slash home slash yyyy directory. So we have changed the read, write and execute permission for this directory. We have given the permission to the user owner and the group owner for this directory. Anybody can read, write as well as execute these files. Then we need to edit the smb.conf file. So we have to go to the file. Before editing the file, you can copy the file of the samba /etc /samba /smb.conf file to some the places where, suppose we are coming into the home directory. Okay, so already there I have copied, again it is asking. So for our safer side, we are editing this file, so our original file will be saved, therefore we are going for the copy purpose. Now we need to edit the smb.conf file. So in the smb.conf file, in the global section, we have to edit the workgroup name. We have to change the host allow, a range of IPs that will be accessible to the Linux machine. So you can see here the workgroup section, the global section. Inside the global sections, we can issue the command escape shift :sc nu to see the line numbers. So the line number 85, you can change the workgroup name to the workgroup name of your computer. You can find the workgroup name of your computer. Right click on this PC. So you will see that also. So you can select this PC. You can go to the properties. You can go to the advanced system settings here. You can go for the environmental variables, not environmental variables. Here you can go for the computer name. You can see the workgroup name here. So whatever the name is there for the workgroup in the Windows machine, that workgroup name you have to provide here. After providing the workgroup name, then two lines that we need to edit. Host allow and the interfaces. So in the host allow, just now we have seen in the Windows machine the IP address range, the interfaces range were from 192.168.1.2, 1.1, 1.3. Therefore that range we are giving here. For the Ethernet card 5, we were having the range as 51 dot something. So whatever the range that you are seeing in the Windows, you can go to the command prompt. Okay, for providing this host allow, you can go to the command prompt. You can see the range which are existing there for the Ethernet. So we can issue the ipconfig command to check the, you can see the for the Ethernet 5 192.168.1.2, for Wi-Fi 192.168.1.103. Similarly for Ethernet 2 1.1 and for Ethernet 6 56.3. So according to this range, I have given the host allow as 192.168.1 dot, so it will cover 1.2 1.3. Similarly in the one more Ethernet 6 was having the IP address as 192.168.51. In the interfaces, again the range 192.168.1 to 192.168.1.4. So these are the two lines that we need to edit. And at the last, we have to provide the path, the directory that we want to share. Like here the home directory that we want to share. So you can give the path here, just as given for the printer here, /var/port/samba. Similarly, we can share the files which we want to share, like path /home/samba public equal to s, writable equal to s, printable write list plus stuff. We can copy this line and we can paste here. So I have given the sharing for /home/tyit directory. So just now we have created the directory which is called as SAMBA share directory that we have created here. YYY directory we have created just now. So we will give that also here for the sharing purpose, so that you will be able to see the changes that we need to make. So the directory that we have created is YY. In the comment section we can write here anything. The path we need to provide, the path is /home /YY directory that we have created, public equals to S, browsable equals to S, then we can also set printable equals to yes also we can give, or we can give printable as no. If you want to share we can give it as yes. Then we have to provide the directory mode. So we need to give the user that we want to create for this sharing this directory. Suppose already one user is there, test, we can give the test user here, or you can give any new name that you want here. Suppose if you are creating one user which is called as YY, I will give the name as YYY. Okay, now we can come out of it. Then we need to restart the SAMBA service. Then we need to create the user YY. So we'll give some other user because the as we have created the directory, therefore it is not taking. We'll add some other user. Let's name the user as P. We'll give the SAMBA password for it. SAMBA password -a P. So it will ask for the password. SMB pass WD -a that we have to give. So it is asking for the SAMBA password for this particular user. So I am giving the password as P@123. Again it is asking. So we have created one user, SAMBA user. We will be able to share that directory. So user we have created is B. So in the smb.conf file we can give that particular user right. So here valid user we have given it as Y. We'll change it to B. So we have edited the smb.conf file. Then we need to enable the home directories on. We can issue the command so you can see SAMBA enable home directories by default it is off. I have already made it on. Just you can issue this command to check the home directories whether it is on or off. So you can see here Samba enable home directories, it is on already. If it is not on, we can use the set asable, okay, then Samba underscore enable underscore home underscore DRS on. So after issuing this command, if it is off, we can make this enable home directories on. Okay. So again, if you check that command by using get asable minus a grep samba, you can see the enable home directories which was off, now it is turned into off by the command set asable samba enable home directories on. In this way we can enable the home directories on. Then we need to create the Samba client for it. We can also issue the command SMB client. We can issue SMB client / the IP address of our Linux machine, the directory that we want to share, -u, and the Samba client that you have created, that is B. So enter B password. So you can see the message here, tree connect fail, network bad net. If this comes, that means we are okay, whatever we have done. And one more command we can give, it is chcon command we can give. Chcon minus r triple, chcon minus r3 samba underscore enable underscore home. Chcon command we have to give. That is the SA Linux context we need to change to see the files properly on the Windows machine. So you can see the command here. Chcon minus t we can also change the ownership of the directory for the user that we have created by using chown command. And also we can issue the SC Linux security purpose, that is enhanced security Linux. We can change the context by using chcon -t samba underscore share underscore t and the directory that we want to give that command. So we will go here. chcon minus rt samba underscore share underscore t and the name of the directory that we need to share. Okay, YY directory we have created. See here security Linux context we are changing, change context -rt samba underscore share underscore t /home /y. Also we need to change the ownership of that file. We can issue the command chown and the username and the directory that we need to change the ownership. So B user we have created and we are giving the ownership to B for this directory /home/y. Now we can service IP table stop, we can make the firewalls off, then we can start the SMP service. So now we will go to this Windows Start, we will issue the run command. We have to type the IP address of our Linux machine 192.168.1.4/. Now you can see the Y directory here and also the files that we have created in the Y directory. Also from here also we can create the files. Suppose we need to create, we have created one file which is called as nn. Okay, so this is the nn, which is the text file. So this is the thing that we are saving in this text file nn. So this file we are creating from the Windows. Now when we are going to the Linux machine, so we will be able to see this file. So we are here inside the YY directory. Now we will issue this command ls. So you can see the file nn.txt which is created from the Windows. It is visible in the Linux machine. So you can see the message here, hello students, we are working on Samba. So this is all about the Samba server. So these are the steps that we need to follow. Thank you all of you for watching.